It is spring, and that means spring cleaning. Today we're starting in the kitchen. So this is not going as well as I thought it would. Hey everyone, it's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are spring cleaning, and I have a confession to make. I have never spring cleaned in my life. Gross. But here we are, we're doing it today. If you also have been procrastinating on your spring cleaning, give this video a thumbs up and let's get going. So before we dive in, I need to give you just a little bit of context as to what you're about to watch. So I've created some spring cleaning checklists for you over on my blog, every5years.com. I've got them linked down below, completely free. I don't even ask you to give me your email address in exchange for them. They're just resources for you to use because I love a good checklist and I imagine you might too. So on the blog, go check them out. It was inspired by a really sweet comment that I got from one of my subscribers on a previous video. Her name's EarthAngel31, and she said, you know, your videos are so refreshing because I love watching cleaning motivation videos, but so many of them just seem to think that I've got all the time and energy in the world to clean all day. And she's not wrong. So she inspired me to create a checklist that I'm calling It's Good Enough. And that's for people like me and Earth Angel who we want a clean house, and when we sit down to do it, we've got either a limited amount of time or a limited amount of energy, but we still want to get some things done. So now let's start cleaning.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna.
So really, here's what I mean by tidy. You're not cleaning anything, but anything that has a place in your kitchen, you are putting it away so that then you can start the cleaning process.
It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love.
Hey, I don't know if I told you that I think you're beautiful, and how I can't wait to hold you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know how I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. I don't wanna be without you. This is something that I know for sure. It's just something about you. I just want more.
So one of the tricks of having your home feel fresh and clean while getting by with doing what is good enough is focusing on the visible parts of your appliances. So save the insides for another day.
Lost again, going back around. Dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of a million stars. Shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are? Send a prayer if I'm out of luck. Send a little love and I'll make it back. Send me a letter and a bottle of wine, telling me I
full play on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. And it doesn't even matter to me where I go, I just feel I need to take a ride. Got my coffee cup to go, and I'm gonna hit the road tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go. Turning up the stereo in a place I didn't know till now. In a different part of town, I see new colors as the sun goes down. No, it doesn't even matter to me where I go, just feel I need to take a ride. I don't know when I'll get back, keep on going and relax tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find.
So here I'm just using a magic eraser to spot clean the doors from all the smudges and things that collect. You could also use a microfiber cloth and some water, but it had been a while since I had cleaned these doors, and so I called in the big guns from the very beginning. Magic eraser.
Oh, yeah. Even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like, oh, yeah. When I give you every part of me, I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like, oh, yeah. I'm just curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like, oh yeah.
Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine.
Okay, so we have finished the It's Good Enough section of the checklist, and honestly, I could be done now and be fine with it because it looks so good. Here, let me show you. Check out how beautiful this looks, and all I've done is the It's Good Enough checklist. Make sure you download that from the blog if you haven't. Look at this door. Oh my gosh, so clean. I love it. So I'm actually not going to tackle the fridge and pantry though, because if you've seen my recent videos, you know that I've already done that. I'll make sure they're linked up in the cards above in case you are interested. But let me show you what I do want to tackle because it's pretty gross. So I don't know if you can see this very well, but underneath here, oh yeah, the camera's not picking it up. Underneath here, there is a lot of yellow oil that is just caked on there, and I've tried to wipe it with like Clorox wipes and sponges and things, and it's just not cleaning. So I'm gonna try either a magic eraser or Barkeeper's Friend and see what we can do.
You got your high heels on, and I'm wearing my worn out jeans. What could go wrong? Sipping on a beer, sing along to our favorite songs. All I want is you.
So let me tell you about this Rubbermaid electronic scrubber thing. It's the best purchase I've made all year. This isn't a sponsored video. I just love this product. I'll make sure it's linked in the description below for you guys. But I'm like clearly using it here to use it on the stovetop. I've used it to clean grime off of doors and window panes. It got the oil off earlier, just immediately. Also used it when I was cleaning the sink for under the faucets, in the drains and things like that. It's an amazing product and you should definitely check it out.
Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine. A never-ending sunshine.
All right, so this is not going as well as I thought it would. It has been an hour and I am still doing this freaking stove. I did get the bit that was underneath here, which is good. I'm glad, but as you saw, there was a lot of burnt on oil and gunk that was underneath the, I don't know what they're called, underneath the gas plates, and I can't get that off. I can't. I tried the magic eraser. I tried this Method heavy duty degreaser. I even tried the Dawn Power Wash and it's just not working. So if you have ideas of how I could get that off, please leave them in the comments below. And yeah, I guess how ironic is it that someone with a cleaning channel can't finish the spring cleaning checklist. So hopefully if you can't make it through that either, you don't feel so bad now. So since I couldn't finish it, here's what we're gonna do. Watch. It's not ideal, but it is what it is for this evening, so I will tackle this another time. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and definitely if you have any ideas of how to get that stuck on, burnt on oil off of my stove, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!